Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya online chemistry class. Today we have to see about periodic properties of element, that is electron affinity and electronegativity. First we go to electron affinity. Electron affinity is nothing but energy released when a gaseous atom gains an electron to form its anion. That is, you take an atom A and it addition with an electron or gains with an electron to form a negative ion, that is A minus. It release energy. That energy is calculated by kilojoule per mole. So electron affinity is always calculated by kilojoule per mole. Okay, next we go to period. In period, the electron affinity increases along the period, increases down the group, it is decreases. But in noble gases, the outer shell of the atom will be fulfilled, that is S and P orbital. S and P orbitals are fulfilled, so it does not gain an electron. So electron affinity always 0 for noble gases. Next we go to electronegativity. Electronegativity is nothing but if an atom attack to the another element to get joining, that is hydrogen addition with chlorine to form a hydrochloric acid. In this, the hydrogen and chlorine combining in the outer cell, it shares a pair of electron, that is known as electronegativity. That is known as electronegativity. That is, electronegativity is an element, is the measure of a tendency of its atom to attract the share of pair of electron towards itself to form a covalent bond. So we have to see in this lesson each and every element having electronegativity. The value of electronegativity is given in this lesson. So before that we go in the period and group. Along the period, electronegativity increases. Down the group, it will be decreases. So we go to next topic is electronegativity value of the sum of the elements, that is given below. For fluorine you take means that is 4.0, chlorine 3.0, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5 and hydrogen 2.1 and sodium also having that is 1. If the difference between when the two atom join together, the electronegative value will be differ by, that is you calculated the value by subtracting from one to another. The value will be below 1.7, that is less than 1.7, the bond is covalent. If the value is above 1.7 or greater than 1.7, the bond is ionic. From that we have to identify the bond in the compound will be whether it is covalent or ionic. Now we come to the lesson. Now we have to see that how we calculated the electronegativity. Suppose you take that sodium atom. Sodium atom, the value is 1 and the chlorine atom, the value is 3.0. You subtract from chlorine to sodium, the value is 2, that is the value is greater than 1.7. So in sodium chloride the bond is ionic. The same way you have to predict the nature of bonding in the following molecules that is given. So you test yourself and identify the bond in the each element that is given in the board. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we have to see.